Hello everybody, welcome to our Shumatt's live streaming. I'm Caitlin. Our company specializes in commercial diesel parts, and today I would like to share with you one type of our hot sealing valve assembly. Let's take a look. And firstly, let's see the outside package. This kind of blue VCI anti-rust bags, right? And here, this is the label. And the first line, this is our Shumatt's brand, and the product code of this valve assembly is F00VC01353. Actually, for this kind of logo, label, packages, etc., all we can support a customized service. And then let's check the inside. Inside, the transparent bottles can be better avoid some damages during the translation. And inside, one layers of the oil paper to wrap it up. Each product we supply with 6 months warranty time. Any of our customers, if you receive the packages not set with quality, we don't exchange. All is okay, so you have the quality guaranteed. For this one, apply cable for injector number is 04451100265. And for this one, the apply cable for vehicle core is Nissan, Opel, Renault, Vauxhall. And this is the valve cavity with the coating figures here, and that's the valve rod. If you want to clean this kind of valve assembly, you'd better to clean with the oil, don't clean with the water. So much for this one. At last, thank you for watching. See you next time. Have a good day. Bye.